Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tandoori baby corn. For this we need baby corn, tandoori masala. So let's start making tandoori masala first. For this we need
brown cardamom, small cardamom, star anise, stone flower, cinnamon, whole red chili, bay leaf, dry fenugreek leaf, black pepper powder, coriander seed, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric, clove, dry ginger powder, cumin seed, garlic powder, carve seed. Take a frying pan, on very low flame add 3 teaspoons of coriander seed, half a teaspoon of carve seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, half teaspoon of fennel seed. Dry roast them, mix them on very low flame for 30 seconds. Mix it constantly. Now add a very small piece of star anise, 3 inch of cinnamon, 4 brown cardamom, 4 bay leaf, crush them and add them. Now add 6 to 7 whole red chili, dry roasting on very low flame. Now add 4 cardamom, green cardamom and 6 clove. Mix it and dry roast for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now add 2 to 3 stone flower. Mix it again. Now add 1 teaspoon of poppy seed. Mix it again. Now put off the flame and then add 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaf and mix it again. Since your pan is hot, so stir continuously. Now add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it and put them into a grinder
and then grind them to make a fine powder. And your tandoori masala is ready. Now we will proceed further. Take 2 to 3 teaspoon of hung curd. We are making a marinade for baby corn. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaf and 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. And your marinade is ready. Now marinate the baby corn for minimum 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix them. Now take a skewer and add baby corn. Put rest of the marinade on top of the baby corn. Add little butter and now you can grill them or you can bake them. Garnish it with red cabbage, some beetroot slice and garnish it with mint leaf and your tandoori baby corn is ready. Thank you.